Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to accept credit card payment with PayPal. So to get started with the guide, you can accept credit card payment with PayPal even if your customer doesn't have a PayPal account. So here's the way you can work around with this. I have two about three methods you can use to work this around. So the first thing is to send an invoice, no website needed. Just log into your PayPal account, then go to the send and request tab, then click account and invoice, then fill your customer's email address, item details, and the amount, then click send. Then the customer will receive a link where they can pay using any major credit card, no PayPal account required. Then here another method, you can use a PayPal payment link. So go to the paypal.com, then slash button or the PayPal main section. Then create a PayPal mail link with your username. Then share it via your email, text, or social media account. Depends on any way you want to share it. Then the customer can enter any amount and pay with a credit card or debit card. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.